My name's Chris Lee.
I'm Victor.
I'm Andrew Tan.
I'm Sherry.
I'm Darren Choi. Congratulations
Congratulate Huawei
on the new Nova 3 series launch in Malaysia.
So much so, we have collaborated with Huawei to offer an exclusive 500 big points for you to redeem free flights at Big Loyalty app.
Nova users can now enjoy a fitness package which includes discounts and free personal training consultations.
Together with Nova, we will continue to put our customers first and provide exciting initiatives to consumers via our collaboration, such as Lazada vouchers, exclusive free gifts, and prize giveaways to all lucky customers.
To bring fashion to the next level, KL Fashion Week will be working together with Nova to offer more exciting experiences, such as entrance tickets to KLFW 2018 on the 8th of August, model castings, social media takeovers, and so much more.
There's going to be lots and lots of synergies that we see. You will see our campus tours, and you will also see some of our mobile shop activities.
Hello everyone, I'm Beta from Astro.
Hi everyone, Adriana here from Astro. Bringing to you Cuboji and 128GB
4 AI camera and GPU turbo, and it is not just a phone anymore, but so much more than that.
So stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned for the 28th of this month.
Head is spinning over you.